Hey everybody, it's Red from Ready Set Walk, exploring the world one step at a time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's December 29, 2024. Current time is 10:30 in the morning. And today, we are currently in the S8 line para mag-travel sa Munich International Airport. Our destination today is London. So, doon tayo magsa-celebrate ng New Year, tsaka also I will be attending the wedding of my cousin sa Northern Ireland. So, supposedly, yung flight namin was yesterday, but it got canceled. It was so funny because we had to wake up early kasi yung flight namin early din. So, it was so funny kasi we were already waiting in the bus para pupuntang airport. Tapos, I started vlogging there. Everything was checked-in actually. Everything was okay. I thought it was already okay. We had the boarding pass. And then, when I started vlogging on the bus station, sinabi ni Ranko sa akin na, stop, kasi yung flight is canceled. Hi! Hey everybody, it's Red from Ready Set Walk, exploring the world one step at a time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, it's December 28. It's currently 2:45 in the morning. Why? So, ayun mga kalakbay, I wanted to make my intro and then kaka-receive lang ni Ranko ng message na our flight is canceled today. And our flight has been moved Monday in the morning. The reason is that sabi ng British Airways, yung London Heathrow Airport, paano ba? May adverse weather conditions, tapos parang limited lang ang number ng mga aircraft na makapag-operate. And isa si British Airways sa parang hindi pwedeng mag-operate on their full schedule. So, uwi na lang kami. Papunta nga nakakalisma yan. Supposedly, they move our flight sa Monday. Tapos, parang super late naman yung Monday. So, ayun, kahapon, tinawagan ko yung British Airways na if possible, i-move siya instead of Monday sa sa Sunday, which is today. So, ayun, good thing is that may available flight naman today. Yung flight namin is 2 in the afternoon. So, I think we are okay right now. 3 hours before our flight, it's perfect. So, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung airport. And then, also, we will get into one of the lounges there because it's my first time going into the lounge here in Munich Airport. So, yun gagawin natin. Siguro, rate na rin natin yung mga food doon tsaka drinks, okay? So, by the way, guys, just a quick information. Kapag ka naandito kayo sa Munich, Germany, tapos lilipad kayo to another EU country or kahit saan man, yung line na iti-take nyo is the S8 line. Yun yung airport line papuntang Munich International Airport. So, quick tip lang. So, tara, samahan nyo po ako na mag-travel from Munich to London. Okay, we're here and antay ko lang si Ranko. That's Ranko there. And eto yung screen nila dito. Tignan natin yung flight natin. Flight DA927. So, let's see. It's going 14:55. Ayun. Ay, Madrid yan eh. London, ayun. Pakita ko 10, London L8, London. Yan yung flight natin. London LHR, London Heathrow, 14:55. Gate B, check-in. Ano yung check-in? A121 to A125. Okay. Alam ko na kung saan yung check-in counter. Check-in counter natin is A121 to A125. So, we have already checked in, pero we just need to drop our bags. Saan ba? A121 to A125. I don't know where it is. Ah, here. Here. Andun, no? Puntahan lang natin doon. Nasiraan ko sa likod ko. Ito yung Munich Airport, guys. Wala. So, tara. Let's go. Terminal 1AB. Yan. Kita nyo ba? Ayun. Okay. So, tara. San si Ranko? Inaantok na siya. So, first time pala ni Ranko pumunta ng London. So, are you excited? Yes, Lipo. Teka lang. Nabibigitan ako sa camera ko. My God. Ayun. In fairness, today, current time is 12 ata in the afternoon. December 29. But, it looks like hindi siya masyadong busy actually. Siguro yung mga tao, kasi mag-New Year na, diba? Siguro nauwi na sila sa kanila. So yung yung rush is tapos na. Kami na lang yung nag-rush. Terminal 1. Sakay muna tayo ng Walk-a-later tawag nito, diba? I think yung Terminal 1, eto yung paano ba? Old terminal nila, sorry. Naguguluhan ako. Tapos alam nyo ba, dumating ako dito December 10. Tapos yung paglapag ko sa München Airport, I was amazed kasi may Christmas market sila sa airport. Kaya pag kuya mamaya yung B-roll trust me, meron silang Christmas market sa airport. So ganun sila ka festive pagdating sa Christmas. Ganda. So I think yung Terminal 1 dito, ito yung lumang airport nila. I think we can go up there. The check-in counters. Okay.
Upstairs you cannot go through. You go here and the next one up there's also the elevator.
Cool. Thank you, man. Alright. So tulungan tayo ni Kuya. Sabi niya, may elevator naman sa malapit sa amin, pero yung sinuggest niya is it's better na maglalakad kami ng konti doon kasi naandun niya talaga yung pinaka mga check-in counters. So ayun, lakad-lakad muna tayo. May time pa naman kami. Yes, that's Ranko. Yes. Hello. Grabe, ang bigat ng camera ko, mama. Ba't ako naglalakad? I-walk-a-later to eh. So, yun. Lakad-lakad muna tayo. In fairness, you know what? I'm surprised that today is December 29 and as I was actually expecting that the airport's gonna be busy. No. Maybe the people are already in their home. They already traveled, no? Yeah. Yeah. Grabing lakar natin dito, mama. Ito yung airport nila, guys. Ayan. 'Di ba? Kita nyo ba walang tao? Tayo. Babalikan ko kayo kapag nasa check-in counter na kami. Kasi pareha lang naman yung yung paano ba? Yung parang view niya dito. So, babalikan ko kayo kapag naando na kami sa check-in counters. See you later. What are you doing? Check-in tayo. Hindi check-in. Drop na natin yung baggage natin. Tara, go.
Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren,
Baggage drop.
wir bitten Sie aus Sicherheitsgründen Orly Airport.
25 minutes. Okay. Thank you. Antay muna pala kami ng 25 minutes para mag-drop ng baggage. So, ayun. I think we can just wait here, no? Do you wanna sit? Okay. Ito din yung terminal na na nag-check-in ako para mag-travel sa sa Cebu with Qatar Airways. Ito din yun. Ayan, Qatar Airways. Yan. Kita ba? Teka lang, pakita ko Qatar Airways, yan. Last year na andito ako nag-check-in din. That's one. Check-in na kami.
Electronic devices inside?
No. Yan si Rangko.
Next?
Sorry?
Do you have any next?
No, that's it. We're gonna put this one in the cabin.
I'll check what group you are because you need to hand in the key with the cabin pass. From 4 to 9.
Okay.
So you're group 7, you need to hand in the cabin pass.
We need to check in also. Okay.
The flight is full.
Okay. That's okay.
Next, please.
Okay. Okay.
Ali. Ali.
Check-in din namin yung yung luggage na maliit kasi full daw yung flight. Okay lang. Okay lang naman yun. Hi. This is for like after April, then you need to have an electronic visa. Yes, after. I read about it. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Ayun, kakadrop lang ng baggage namin. And naandito na yung namin, boarding pass. Ni-issue sila ng boarding pass ulit. Kanina nag-issue naman sila, kahapon nag-issue naman sila ng boarding pass, tapos nag-re-issue sila ng boarding pass. So okay lang naman yun. Tara, punta tayo sa security check. Tara, go. Dami tao ng Qatar Airways, so ganda na Qatar Airways. Ay, ang sabi, Terminal BCDE. Ba't yung araw nasa labas? Tara, go. Diyos ko, kailangan namin lumabas ng ng airport. Papuntang Gate B kasi yung parang tawag nito, parang place na magko-connect from Gate A to Gate B, under construction. So, ayun. Okay lang naman kasi may mga sign naman. Ayan, Yan. So, tara. Labas tayo. Punta tayo sa Gate B. Did you remember that this is the place where you picked me up? No, yes. Not pick me up, but when you dropped me when I went back to the Philippines. This is the airport. Right? Si Rangko. Hello. So, lakad-lakad lang tayo. I think current temperature right now is -1 degrees. Maaraw siya, pero nanunuot yung lamig. Kasi -1 today. Yeah, it's a law. It's a law. It's like it's needed that you need to remove the cover of your passport. Yes. Tara, pasok tayo. Tara, nakapasok na tayo. Ay, Diyos ko, grabe yung security. Mama, we wanted to go to, we were planning na pagkatapos na mag-check-in, security, pupunta kami ng lounge. But I'm not sure if we have time kasi grabe yung pila sa security. Pakita ko teka lang. Ayan So, paano to? Babalikan ko kayo guys pila lang muna kami kasi grabe yung pila. Okay? See you later. Tingnan yung tao guys. So, grabe. Oh my God. Sige, balikan ko kayo mamaya kasi bawal na mag-camera dito So, see you later after security. Hi guys. So, lang namin. We just got through security and ngayon, hahanapin lang namin yung gate namin, which is B10. Pero I think we still have like 40 minutes para pupunta sa lounge. Airport lounge is andito. So tara, punta tayo. Go! Meron kaming siguro mga 50 minutes or 40 to 50 minutes para kumain kasi we are hungry. Are you hungry? Yes. So tara, go. Ito yung airport lounge. Yan. So, kakain tayo dyan kasi may priority pass tayo. So, antay lang tayo. Tara, pasok. Tapos, sabi dito is 6. Ayun. Dami tao. Bakit? Tara, go. Hello. For 2 person? London. Okay. And yours also?
No,
Just mine. Okay. Yes, him. Thank you. We're in sa airport lounge dito sa Munich. So, kakain lang tayo ng mabilisang kain kasi no, I think we can bring our bag. Yes? Okay. Uy, ang ganda ng ano dito, ng airport lounge nila kasi pwede mong iiwan yung bag mo. Uy, ang ganda ng airport lounge dito. Teka lang ha, hahanap lang muna kami ng ano, ng tawag nito, ng mauupuan ni Ranko para pwede tayo mag-chill-chill. Teka lang, where can we sit? Okay, yeah. Okay, yung chair namin, yun. Okay, I'll sit down here. Yes, chair namin. Very good. Yun guys, naandito kami. Kukuha lang kami ng pagkain kasi we are hungry. Pero try ko na lang i-video yung mga pagkain doon using my phone kasi baka hindi pwedeng mag-video. So, we're gonna get back to you, okay? Yung interior guys, so, ganda. Phone na muna gagamitin ko kasi baka napaka-vulgar naman nung ano. Ito yung ambience dyan. Ayan. Napaka-vulgar naman siguro nung camera ko. Baka sitahin tayo. So, ito yung food nila guys. Daily buffet. Butter, margarine, salad kunke, cucumber. Okay, get me this one. Kukuha tayo nito. Uy, sarap nito. Salami tsaka ano.
You want to see this side too?
This one.
There's cucumbers.
Kuha tayo
Want
nito.
cucumbers?
Sarap nito.
Okay, add this one cucumbers.
Tsaka, kuha rin tayo ng
How many?
cheese. Tsaka orange
One more.
cheese. Sarap ito. Okay.
That's 1, 2, 3,
Tapos,
4.
ano to? Hindi ko alam to.
3.
Try natin to. Ano ba to?
White.
Parang
cheese or
masarap to
orange?
eh. Sige, go. Saan nyo ko?
Daddy chooses.
Uy, ang sarap. Grabe. Gutom na ako, mama. Tapos ito yung mga muffin nila. Ayun. Tapos may pa-fruits din sila. Green apples. Dessert ata to. Yan.
You want anything else, Atlas?
So ayun, kakain lang kami ha. I'm not sure if kita dito pero andyan si Ranko. So, teka lang, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung anong kinain namin, yung in-order ko. Ito yung chicken curry. Not sure if kita ba. Yan. Uy, ang sarap niya. Promise. Masarap siya. Tapos, kumuha rin ako ng cheese. Tapos schnitzel. Tapos parang hindi ko alam to parang salad-salad. Tara, go. Tapos si Ranko, kumuha lang siyang croissant. Taste test natin yung Indian curry. This is so good. Taste test ng Indian curry. 10 over 10. Ang sarap. Tika lang, ito yung Indian curry Ang sarap niya, promise. 10 over 10 to. Tapos, this is schnitzel, right? He's also good. We forgot to get tissue. Ang sarap. Ito pala yung kinain ni Ranko. Pakita ko Ayun, kinain. Yung in-order ni Ranko, ito. Yan. What are you eating?
Chicken.
What's this one?
That's it.
Wow. Is that a cheesecake?
I don't know. Something Strasbourg.
Okay. Kain na kami mabilisan na kasi we have like 30 minutes before our boarding time. Tara. Bilis natin kumain, ma. Uy, ang sarap, promise. Sarap. Do you know what's this? Hindi ko alam ano to. Comment down below kung alam nyo kung ano to. Ako hindi ko alam to. Do you wanna taste it? It's so good, this one. Ang sarap. Oh my God. Ang sarap nito. Ba't hindi ko alam kung ano to Comment down below kung ano to. What? It's good? Maka lang guys. Pakita ko lang sa iyo super quick kasi we are in a hurry. Mag-boarding na kami in 30 minutes. Ito yung interiors ng airport lounge. Yung mga chair dyan. Dami tao. Pwede kayo mag-chill. Ayun. Teka lang pakita ko. Yan. May mga taong kakarating lang. Ayun. Uy, ang ganda dito, promise. Ayun. Uy, teka lang. Yung kakabalik ko lang sa tawag nito, sa food area. May area din pala doon ng mga alcohol. There's an area there where you can drink alcohol. Ranko, there's an area there where you can drink alcohol. Did you see?
I think these ladies drinks.
Meron dun. Try ko kukunan na mamaya. Kain muna ako. The curry is so good, right? Kain tayo. Ito. Sarap. I think you can just leave it here. Ayun, palabas na kami. Thank you, Airport Lounge. It was a great short, stopover. Kasi nagugutom kami. Ito yung reception nila, guys. Yan, ganda nila dyan. Thank you. Bye. Happy holidays. Ayun, ito yung entrance ng ganito. Bali yung yung entrance ng ng lounge directly kapag na-open yung elevator. Ang galing. Sarap na pagkain. Tama ba?
Runter, draußen.
Aha, okay. Yan si Ranko. Going to London. Ayun. Labas lang kami. Then, punta lang kami sa gate number B10. So, tara. Antay-antay lang tayo. Ay, eto lang. That's my perfume.
What is
Jo Malone.
this Joe. Yeah.
It's the... B10. Okay. Ito yung gate namin. Pero ano, yung gate namin dyan. Pero ano pa, may iba pang flight na magde-depart. Going to Antalya, Turkey. So, yan si Ranko. Oh. What do you wanna buy?
I don't.
Grabe, dami tao ng ano na to. Terminal. That's Qatar Airways. That's our... Yeah, B10. Look. B10. Ayun. B10. B10. Ayan. Diyan. Ito yung parang duty free ata nila. So, ayun. I'm not sure if we're gonna shop. Huwag na lang siguro no kasi. Para save ng money. Tingin ko si Ranko, gusto niya mag-shop. Do you wanna shop? But that perfume there is so smell. But we can actually buy the Jo Malone perfume in London because this is expensive for sure.
Yes, but there.
Jo Malone perfume. Ayan.
Who is the price?
The one that I have was I don't know, I forgot. I have one Jo Malone, but I think it's not here.
No, it's not.
This is for beach, ke?
Yes.
Try this one, Blackberry and Bay. That should be good.
Yes.
Yes, this one. He's trying Blackberry and Bay si Ranko. Ayan, Jo Malone. Poppy and Barley is also good eh. Gago. I think the wild bluebell smells good also.
What is this under?
Ito yung parang duty free ata nila. So, ayun. I'm not sure if we're gonna shop. Huwag na lang siguro no kasi. Para save ng money. Tingin ko si Ranko, gusto niya mag-shop. Do you wanna shop? But that perfume there is so smell. But we can actually buy the Jo Malone perfume in London because this is expensive for sure.
Yes, but there.
Jo Malone perfume. Ayan.
Who is the price?
The one that I have was I don't know, I forgot. I have one Jo Malone, but I think it's not here.
No, it's not.
This is for beach, ke?
Yes.
Try this one, Blackberry and Bay. That should be good.
Yes.
Yes, this one. He's trying Blackberry and Bay si Ranko. Ayan, Jo Malone. Poppy and Barley is also good eh. Gago. I think the wild bluebell smells good also. Yung sa akin, yung binili ko last time sa London, yung nag-London ako, ito yun. Cypress and grapevine, ito yun. Napakabango nito, promise. But I think usually kapag ito yung binili mo, yung cypress and grapevine, ano to eh, usually it's more good in the winter, this one.
Yes.
Yeah, but maybe we can buy in London. Yeah. Yeah, try that one.
How much is this? What the price?
Whoosh, Mira. Pakita ko sa inyo yung price ng Jo Malone perfume 100 ml. Grabe yung mahal. My God. Ayan. Yung cologne intense nila is 169 euros. So, 170. Yung 50 ml, 120 euros. Grabe ang mahal, no? Pero, worth it din naman yung Jo Malone perfume. So, siguro, magsashop tayo sa London ng another Jo Malone scent. Sige. Saan ba si Ranko? Ay. Ito si Ranko. He's looking at Boss Perfumes. But you know what? You could also use this, you could also use the Raban is also good. So ayun, shop-shop lang kami dito muna. Not shop-shop, at tingin-tingin lang kasi mahal yung presyo. Kasi yung gate namin nabitin, Antalya pa. Oh my God. Chinek ko balik yung Chinek ko balik yung gate namin. Nag-change from B10 to C10. So tara, punta tayo doon kasi tingin ko boarding na. We need to run. Teka lang. Kasi yung B10 Antalya. So tara. Saan ba yung C? Dito. So malapit na tayo. Punta tayo sa C10. Uy, nakakatakot. Baka maiwan tayo. Tara, go. Tara. C10. We need to run. Kasi parang boarding na. We need to run. I think they're also Filipino. The one running here, yeah. Tingin ko yung tumatakbo behind me was Filipino also. So shout out sa mga Pinoy. Laban-laban. C1, C10. Tara, go. C5. Ay, may 5 pa. Hello? Bilisan natin. Nansiraan ko sa likod ko. Hindi siya makatabo kasi sabi niya busog daw siya. I bet ko tong C gates dito kasi hindi masyadong tao. Go. Ay, may duty free din dito. Ayan. C10. Tingnan lang Hindi ako makahinga. Ang busog ko din Silang ko sa likod ko. Hindi siya makatakbo kasi busog. Okay. Naandito tayo sa... Okay, nandito yung natin. Yung flight natin pa London. Ayun, pakita ko sa inyo Eto yun. C10 British Airways BA 927 to London Heathrow. Yun.
London Heathrow at gate C10. First, we ask our priority, status, or business passengers to board the aircraft. After that, we will be boarding all other passengers. We will be boarding the flight by groups as stated on your boarding passes.
Hey guys, so quick update lang tayo. Naandito pa rin tayo sa Munich Airport kasi yung flight natin delayed for 1 hour. So let's see, antay-antay lang tayo dito sa sa Gedli and wait for further announcement. Si Rangko na andun, nabili ng tubig. Antay-antay lang tayo. Okay naman dito mag-chili. Tapos okay na rin kasi I'm charging my yung battery ng camera ko. Ayan. Yun. So, antay-antay lang tayo. What? Ayun guys, after 30 minutes, naandito pa rin kami. Super delay yung aircraft namin papuntang London, right? Sirang ko na antok niya. He's just downloading some video. Ay, sorry. Allowed pa naman. Okay. That's right. So, ayun. Antay-antay lang kami dito. Kanina, napunta ako sa boarding gate namin. May sinabi yung empleyado na, ayun na, yung weather condition sa Heathrow ngayon is hindi masyadong maganda. May weather issue doon. Tapos, supposedly, kahapon kami lilipad. Tapos, kinancel nila kasi because of weather condition then. And then, they have rebooked us with Lufthansa sa Lunes, December 30. But then I had to call British Airways if they could move our flight instead of December 30 to December 29. Kasi parang super late yung December 30. So ngayon, nandito kami. Yan si Rangko. May dina-download siya. Charot. Ay, sorry. Ayun, antay-antay lang kami dito. Grabe na antok na ako. So yung flight namin delayed. And then estimated arrival namin sa London Heathrow would be around like 6:30 in the evening, London time. So, and then we had to ride public transport din para makapunta sa accommodation namin. So, let's see anong gawa natin doon. And maybe later also, once we arrive sa aming accommodation, we'll do some vlog. We'll show you a little bit of London kasi late na yun eh. So, try lang natin pakita yung parang sneak peek ng London. And then the day after that, then we'll do the actual vlog. Okay? So, I'll get back to you later, guys. Or we'll get back to you later if mag-boarding na kami. Ayun, guys. Kakatawag lang ng announcement natin na we are boarding British Airways Flight 927 to London Heathrow. So, tara. Let's go sa boarding gate na natin. Naihilang si Rangko, tapos ako didiretso na sa boarding gate. Perfect. My God. Na-imagine ko na yung Heathrow. I would say, chaotic. For sure. So, I'll see you in the plane. Alright? Babalikan ko yung mamaya kapag nasa na kami. Aircraft. See you. Hello. Thank you. Yon, we just passed. Check in na. Franco. Hello. We're boarding to London. See you in London. Hanapin lang natin yung chair natin. Grabe, puno yung flight, mama. Hindi ko pwede itapat yung camera sa mga tao kasi napaka-awkward naman. So, tapat natin sa mukha natin. Pero, puno yung flight. Siguro mamaya kapag naano na tayo, nasa cruising altitude na tayo, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kapuno yung flight. Yan siraan ko sa likod ko.
My name is James, on behalf of myself and the entire crew, it's our pleasure to welcome you aboard this British Airways flight to London Heathrow. To help us far as soon as possible, please place all hand baggage with a blue label and overhead lockers. Small bags, rucksacks, handbags, backpacks.
Thank you.
Three bags must be placed underneath the seat in front of you. Please have you place suitcases.
16. Eto. Tara, go. Let's go.
To one emergency exit row, the floor area must be completely clear for takeoff. Once your hand baggage is...
So, ayun guys. Nasa seat na kami. 16E and 16F. Yan si Rangko. So, antay lang tayo. Ay, teka lang. Pakita ko sa inyo yung kung gaano kapuno yung flight. Kasi siguro, yung mga passengers din is probably they had a flight yesterday tapos na-cancel and then they had to move those passengers for today's flight. So, ito yung sitwasyon ngayon. Ayun. Yan si Rangko. Tapos yun yung mga tao dyan. Yan. Papasok sila. Puno. Yes, yes, yes. So, mamaya, babalikan ko kayo. Quick tour lang ng plane. Quick tour lang ng plane. Teka ba, anong aircraft ba to? Siguro, ito yung aircraft. Airbus A319. So, I'll see you later. I feel tired already. Pero okay lang, at least the flight is not cancelled. And right now we're heading to London. So it's gonna be exciting.
If you are seated in the front row seat or
Also, please do bear in mind it's British Airways policy to ask you to have your seatbelt fastened while seated, even if the seatbelt signs are off, just in case we come across any unexpected turbulence. In the meantime, please do make yourselves comfortable, and I'd also like to extend my thanks to you for your patience and for also boarding the aircraft on time. I know we have to wait again now, but if the slot did move forward, we wouldn't want to miss it and then go to the back of the queue again. So thanks very much for boarding on time, and I'll speak to you later.
Hi guys. So, si Ranko, nagbabrowse siya ng ano ba to? Parang menu ng aircraft. And I'm thinking we're gonna order something festive kasi it's still holidays. And sa menu, can you show me the Christmas tea? I think for me, I will order the Christmas tea. Pakita ko sa inyo Ayan. Yan yung, Christmas tea. So, let's try Christmas tea. Ano ko yung lasa nun, Christmas tea? What are you gonna order? Grind coffee. The decaf. Sige, let's try yung try natin yung Christmas tea. First time Christmas tea. Ito naman nun. Napaka-festive. Sige. Babalikan ko yung mamaya. Tapos yung boarding, siguro may mga finish lang na process. Pero yung boarding tapos na. So, in a while, mag-take off na tayo. Okay? Babalikan ko yung mamaya. See ya! Alam nyo, napaka-foggy today ng Munich. It's so foggy in Munich, right? So foggy. Pakita ko sa inyo yung yung labas ng ng aircraft sa sa bintana. Teka lang. Ayun. Diba foggy siya? Yeah. Tapos mamaya, kapag nasa cruising altitude na tayo, quick tour natin yung yung CR ng British Airways. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito pala yung parang menu nila on the sky. So mamaya o-order tayo ng ng Christmas tea. Ayan.
So let's have a look up. Only to 20.
Hindi na available yung Christmas tea. December 16 to 20 lang. Sayang. Ayan. Ano na lang. Flip ko na lang yung page sa inyo guys para makita nyo yung price. Siguro order lang tayo ng light meal kasi ang mahal Yan. Ayan. Flip na lang natin para makita nyo din. Ito yung Christmas tea but siguro hindi na siya available. Pero mamaya, aas natin yung crew. Tingnan nyo grind coffee flat white. £3.25. So, nasa mga 4 euros yung B. Tapos, ito yung Coke nila dito, B. Yung Coke nila, £2.50. Kano yun? Mga 3 euros. Sige. Mga spritz. Wine and bubbles. Ayoko ng uminom ng alcohol sa plane kasi yung nangyari sa akin was I had a flight from Mexico to New York. Tapos may layover ako ng siguro mga 3 hours sa Mexico. Tapos pumunta ako ng lounge nila doon. Tapos super nagandahan ako sa lounge. Grabe yung pagkain, yung lounge sa Mexico, yung pagkain, yung inumin. Para akong how do you call it? Glutton. Like I was very glutton. Syempre first time ko makakita ng ganung lounge. Grabe yung pagkain, grabe yung mga inumin. So parang kainin ko to lahat. So ayun, kumain ako ng marami. Tapos I had some wine. Alam nyo talaga, pag boarding na tapos nasa plane na ako, siguro mga hindi pa nakaabot ng cruising altitude yung plane. Grabe, sukang-suka na ako. Like, oh my God, sabi ko talaga, sana nasa cruising altitude na kami para yung fasten seatbelt sign is wala na, turn off na siya. So, you can stand up and go to the bathroom, right? Yun talaga yung pinaka-wish ko. So, pumunta ako sa sa bathroom. Sumuka talaga ako dun. So, parang yun yung lesson ko na kapag may flight ako, hindi na ako iinom kasi talagang, magsusuka ako. So, yun lang. Share ko lang. So, ayoko na. Ay, teka, parang nag-move na yung plane. So, alright. Balik tayo mamaya. Yan si Ranko. It's going to be his first time in London. So, what are you expecting in London?
I don't.
You don't know. But we have some itinerary. Abangan nyo. May vlog kami na papatikim natin kay Ranko. Yung Jollibee. And then, let's also rate it if yung Jollibee ba na nandun sa UK is, parehas ba yung lasa na nasa atin sa Pilipinas? Time check pala tayo. We're taking off at 5:15 in the afternoon, Munich time, Germany time. So, super delayed. Supposedly, mag-take off kami ng 3 p.m. Super delayed, pero okay lang. Kaka-turn off lang na fasten seatbelt sign. So, I think we can stand up now and let's do the bathroom tour. Okay, so ngayon, it's time for British Airways bathroom tour. Paano ba? Okay, simple lang naman siya kasi yung aircraft. Small, it's Airbus A319. So, ito lang yung ano niya, CR. Bale, may hugasan ka dito. Tapos, may sabon. Ito yung ano, tissue. Tapos dito ka, gems. Malinis, very good. Flush kayo dyan. Basic lang. So, okay lang naman siya for 2 hours flight from Munich to London. So, ayun lang. So, hugas muna tayo ng ano, ng kamay. So, tara, labas na tayo. Kasi, yun lang yung gusto ko ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung lavatory ng British Airways. I think it's my first time flying with British Airways and okay lang. Hindi pa masyadong malayo yung flight eh. 2 hours lang. So, chooks na to. Thank you. I'll get 2 for him. Thank you. So ano? Ano ba to? Tara, taste test natin yung gingerbread.
Why
I'll-
not?
It's hard.
It's okay.
Matigas siya. But, I would say, yung ginger
It's not
flavor, it's very dominating. Yung taste.
Yeah.
The taste of the ginger. Yeah. I love it. Yes. This one, I would rate 6 over 10 for me. You?
I am not so to 8. For me, it's 8 of 10.
Bangko, sabi niya, is rating it 8 over 10. Sige, try natin i-ask if may Christmas tea sila, okay? Teka lang. Good, the ginger detox, ginger lemon. Okay.
Sorry, sorry.
Huh? Hi. Do you still have the Christmas tea?
Christmas tea, of course, yeah.
Yeah, okay. I'll have one, and then him's gonna have the ginger detox.
Yep.
Yeah. Thank you.
How many Christmas teas? So one
Just
Christmas
one.
tea.
Yeah.
With milk and sugar,
No, just the tea.
just a tea.
Uh-huh.
Me too.
And then one detox ginger.
And one detox tea.
Lip. Lip.
Yeah.
One more. Okay. I'm gonna take it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes.
Those 2 items.
Yeah.
comes to £6, please.
All right.
Right away. Okay, that's been authorized. Would you like
Thank
a
you.
receipt, sir?
No.
No.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Careful. Thank you so much. Two. So, ayun guys. I was asking the flight attendant if may Christmas tea pa sila. So, meron pa ng Christmas tea. So, ito yun. And Ranko, what do you have? What are you having?
Lemon. Ginger.
Yes, Ranko is having ano, lemon ginger detox. So, ayun. Ito sa akin, Christmas tea. Dalawa kami, ano, bale, 6 pounds and 25 cents. So, convert natin mamaya sa post. Taste test natin, ah. Paano ba? Ay, para siyang mainit. I don't know. I cannot explain the flavor. Hindi ko alam yung flavor. But, ano siya, masarap naman siya. I would rate it as 7 over 10. I don't know. Can you taste? I can't determine what's in it.
I cannot just read about
I cannot.
black tea infused with sweet and
Ah,
savory spices.
ayun.
Cinnamon
Okay,
and
andito pala sa ano, sa menu. Sabi dito, Christmas tea. Black tea infused with sweet and savory spices, including cinnamon and cloves for a warming seasonal drink. Ayun. So black tea pala siya, tapos may ano, cinnamon.
I tell you, Timothy.
Yeah. I
Cinnamon.
mean, yung pagkakalasa ko, hindi ko taste yung cinnamon. So, ayun. Yun yung ingredients, guys. 7 over 10. So, I think we have like 30 minutes left para mag-land sa London Heathrow. So, see you doon.
How much?
I think 30 minutes more. So, we'll see you at Heathrow. Right. Labas na tayo. You have everything, right? Yeah. We just landed in Heathrow. Labas na tayo. Grabe, puno yung flight, mama. Okay lang. Smooth naman yung flight. Despite of yung sabi nila na parang yung weather condition dito sa Heathrow or sa London is hindi masyadong maganda. Pero, the end, smooth flight siya. Thank you! Have a good one! Thank you! Have a good one! Cheers! Yun! That's okay. So, tara. Immigration tayo. Immigration, tapos kunin natin yung bag natin. Ah, yes. Ihi muna pala kami. Kasi ito, ihing-ihi na. So, let's get our luggage and then head to the accommodation. So, it's been like 2 years na since nakabisit ako dito. I was here October 2022 with my college classmate from Cebu. Pero nasa US na siya ngayon, si Jean. Shout out kay Jean. Hi, Et. I'm back here. Where you at? Nag-walkalator kami. Para mabilis yung ano, lakad natin. Yun. Ihi muna kami Babalikan namin kayo kasi ihing-ihi na ako. See ya. Ihing-ihi na to. Success. Now we're ready to go to immigration and then our baggage. Ito yung London, guys. Ito yung London Heathrow. And I think, like you guys know also, isa ang London Heathrow sa pinaka-busy na airport globally. Kasi parang dito nagko-connect yung North America, tapos Asia. Ayun. I think, also, first time ko ditong lumapag sa London Heathrow. Kasi, yung last October 2022, me and Jean, yung classmate ko ng college, we landed at Gatwick. Tapos grabe yung experience ko doon kasi si Jean, nauna siyang lumipad kasi full yung flight. Tapos ako naiwan sa Spain. And then they had to transfer me to another flight na may connecting siya from Malaga to Rome. And then Rome to London. Tapos, my God, pagdating ko pa dito, nawala yung baggage ko. Uy, teka lang nasa immigration na kami. Babalikan ko kayo mamaya kasi hindi na pwedeng mag-camera dito. Okay, see you. Ayun, kakalagpas lang namin ng immigration. Smooth naman siya. I think it took us like, 5 minutes, no? Yeah, fast. So, baggage reclaim. Yeah, I think we need to look our flight here so that we will know what which belt are we going. Munich. Okay, let's see. Munich. 7. Okay. So, okay. Punta kami sa belt 7. Yan. So, let's go. Ano to? Ito yung express train. Mahal yan. Yung sasakyan namin yung Elizabeth Express kasi mas mura siya. According to my research. Ito yung Heathrow. Pakita ko sa inyo First time kasi ako dito Yan. Yan si Ranko. Hi! Yun. Claim lang natin yung number 7 belt. Yung our luggage. Tapos, sakay na tayo ng public transport para pumunta sa hostel. By the way guys, trivia lang, kapag naalito kasi Heathrow, according to my research, there's a lot of mode of transportation para ikaw makapunta sa center ng London. First is yung London Express, which is yung pinakamahal. Second one is yung Elizabeth Express, which is a little mura. Tapos yung coach bus, and then yung pinakamura, which is yung Piccadilly line. So, from our decision, we opted for the Elizabeth Express line, papuntang accommodation namin. Kasi I think for the Express, it will take you like 15 minutes. Tapos yung Elizabeth Express, 30 minutes. And mas mura-mura siya. Yes. Gotcha. Nakuha ko na yung isang baggage, yung maliit. Alam nyo, ito yung pinaka-importante kasi nandito yung wedding outfit. May trauma na ako, may konting trauma ako sa London kasi last 2022 nawala yung luggage ko Tapos it took like almost 2 days before siya nabalik sa akin. So, good thing na nauna itong maliit. So, ayun. Share ko lang. Antay lang namin yung malaki. Yay! Grabe. The bag is kaput? No? Okay.
Yes, this is out.
No, it's dirty. So tara guys, we decided na lang instead of Piccadilly line, kasi yung Piccadilly line, it will take like, paano ba? 1 hour and 30 minutes. So, we decided na lang, na sasakay na lang kami ng National Express coach, which is yung bus. So, hanapin lang natin. Yan si Ranko. Kasi, chinek ko din from Heathrow Terminal 5. Yes, local SIM. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng SIM, andito siya. Pero yung sa akin, I installed eSIM, Olafly. Mamaya, lapag ko yung yung referral. Charot. Hello mga kalakbay! Red here. I'm back in Munich, Germany from London. I know, where did the holidays go, right? Anyway, let's take a quick break from the vlog and do a special shout out. For today's video, I want to thank our affiliate partner, Olafly. With Olafly Bale, they offer an international eSIM cards around the world, and you can also enjoy an unlimited data plan across multiple destinations. Bale, ito yung ginamit ko nung nag-travel ako sa London. I use it in London, Northern Ireland, Edinburgh, of which may mga travel vlog din tayo sa mga aforementioned places. So, subscribe to the channel. Anyway guys, so for your future international travels, don't forget you can get a 5% discount by clicking on the description below if you want to avail the Olafly. It won't cost you anything extra, and plus, you help me support the channel. Now back to London. Red circle, tapos merong horizontal blue line, underground. Then, ayun. So, dyan tayo papasok mamaya. Yung na yan. Pintuan na yan. Tara guys, let's continue na sa Piccadilly line. Minom lang sirang ko ng paracetamol kasi may headache siya. Tara go. Ay, ito yun. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na yung Piccadilly line yung pinaka-cheapest option. Pero mas matagal-tagal, very light. Pero wala na kaming option kasi yung bus in an hour pa. Ito yun. Pakita ko sa inyo Ito yung, you need to look for the sign kung you will take the underground, the Piccadilly line. Ito yun. Yun yung hanapin nyo, underground. Hanapin na natin ito yung elevator, papuntang underground. So tara. If I'm not mistaken, according sa sa research ko, you can pay directly with your card or your mobile pay sa directly doon sa machine nila. You don't need to buy Oyster card. So tara. So American Express hindi natanggap dito. Ba't ayaw? Ayun. Okay. Ito yung tap guys. So tap nyo lang dyan, GPay, Apple Pay, or you can use directly the your credit card or debit card. So Apple Pay tayo. Why is it not?
So the one that you use, I can come here.
Ayun. Go. Pumasok. That is weird. Anyway, ayun, pasok pa tayo. Uy, ano yung train? Let's go. Ito yung Piccadilly line, guys. Pasok na kami, papuntang Central London Station. Ay, grabe. Sit down.
It's not so like this waiting so much.
Yeah. Do you wanna sit down?
No?
Maybe na. Ayun guys. Kakapasok lang namin sa Piccadilly line. Uy, alam niyo ang cute ng ng train. Ano siya? Old na siya pero ang cute ng maliit lang siya. Ayun pakita ko konti. Yan yung train.
Thank you.
Cute lang siya. Ayan.
14 arrêts.
So ngayon,
47 minutes. Donc si vous avez
titingnan lang natin sa Google Maps kung saan tayo magsta-stop. Green Park. Okay. Sabi sa Google Maps, 18 stops, 51 minutes. 18 stops, 51 minutes. That's okay. Uy, alam nyo, the train is cute, no?
Yes, it's small.
Yeah.
But in it's bigger.
Yes. Alam nyo, I'm surprised kasi current time in London is 7:30 ng gabi. Di ba dapat pa to, rush hour? Tapos sabi sa internet, kapag ganitong mga hours, mga gabi, rush hour, parang crowded yung train. Okay naman. Nakaupo naman kami. So, nakahanap naman kami ng upuan. So, I think it's okay. Tapos, anong total na nito? Total travel time is 1 hour and 20 minutes. So, okay lang yun. Tapos, yung binayad namin per person, check ko no. Hindi ko pa nakita dito. Search natin sa internet kung magkano yung price ng Piccadilly line from here. Okay. Ayun. Sabi dito, kapag ikaw nasakay ng Piccadilly line going to Central London, the fare is around £6. So, cheaper compare sa other mode of transportation papunta sa Central London. We're here. Tara, baba tayo. Tapos transfer sa Jubilee Stanford line. Hinahinaan ko lang yung boses kasi nasa public transport tayo. Nasa public place tayo. Paano ba? Tayo sa Green Park. Saan ba papunta? Teka lang Let's go on the other side. Yes, I need to check where are we going. Teka lang babalikan pa guys. Titignan ko na yung Google Map. Tara. Ayun yung Jubilee line. Sakay lang kami ng elevator kasi malaki yung luggage na inano ni Ranko. Dinadala niya. Ito yun, Jubilee Line. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Jubilee Line. Tara, go. Sakay tayo ng ano. Okay. Lakad-lakad. Grabe, para tayong ano, Londoner. Tama ba yun, yung term na yun? Uy, grabe. Ang taas ng ano, ng lalakaran nating mama. Okay. Dito tayo. 1 second. Stratford. Dito. Eto. Kilburn. Ito yung station namin. Yan. Eto. Platform 5. Tara, go. Dito na kami. Yan. I would say the public transport here in London in terms of their metro is quite smaller compared to the U-Bahn in Munich, no? It's smaller, no? Compared to the U-Bahn. Yeah. But it's cute. Para siyang ano, paano ba? Bueno, para siyang may pagka-Berlin-ish din. Ayun. Ay, ito na. Babalikan namin kayo. Ito yung play namin. Ay, okay lang. Hindi naman masyadong traffic, so we can vlog. Tara, go. Ay, dito. Pasok tayo. Automatic to, di ba? Ayun. Bienvenido. Uy, alam niyo. Ito yung Jubilee Line. I'm not sure if rinig niyo yung ano, yung sound ng... Yes. I'm not sure if rinig niyo yung ano, yung sound ng metro. Ang lakas, ang bilis, tapos maalog siya. Diba? Maalog-alog kami. Okay lang yun. But it's adventure. Pagkaalog-alog. Ito na yung station namin. Hello, wala na. Wala ng battery ito. Hindi na itong i-charge. You need charger. Yeah. Lobat na si Rangko. Ako din, palubat na. Pero laban. We're here. Uy, in fairness, hindi siya malamig. It's not cold here. Hindi katulad sa Munich na ang lamig. Pero dito, uy, ano, para siyang ano, I would say the temperature here is like Malaga. Yes, this is a Malaga weather. Yeah. Yung temperature dito, ano, parang Malaga lang. So, teka lang. Hanap lang natin yung address ng hotel. I mean, ng hostel pala. Hostel lang tayo para tipid. Sabi dito, sa address. Complete address is NW24BS. Okay. Nakailan tayo ng elevator kasi si Rangko. Hawak-hawak yung ano. Malaking bag. Yeah. Welcome! Ito na kami. Lakad-lakad po na ng area na to. First time namin dito, so check ko muna. Ito yung address ng hostel namin. Teka lang It's going there. Guys, maglalakad muna kami we'll see you later sa kapag nasa hostel na kami. Kasi it's 6 minutes walk, okay? Ito yung neighborhood niya. So, ito yung neighborhood namin, guys. Neighborhood ng hostel namin. I think we're just like 4 minutes, walk. Kita ko lang saglit. Okay naman yung neighborhood. Ano siya? Neighborhood na parang normal na na mga bahay. Hostel yung nirent namin kasi mas mura. Ito yung hostel namin. Teka lang babasahin lang natin yung instruction sa booking.com. Sabi dito, you just need to open the cover and type the code. Okay. Uy. Kakakuha lang ni Ranko ng ng key dito sa safe box. Ayun. Hey guys, so ayun, kaka-check-in lang namin sa hostel namin. And alam nyo, I would say it's cozy. Kami lang dalawa ni Ranko ngayon na andito. So, it would be great if walang sasabay, pero kung may sasabay, okay lang din naman. I think, pagkano ba to? I forgot. I think this costed like 20 euros per night per person per bed. 20 euros per bed na lang per person. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung 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 interior niya. Eto, may dalawang may mga aparador ata to or cabinet designated by each tao na naka-check-in dito. Tapos lang siya sa isang room na to. Hi.
Hello.
Okay, sa isang kwarto na to, may 4 na bed. Eto, dito si Ranko, tapos dito ako, tapos may dalawa dito din, pero walang naka-check-in. So, kami lang dalawa dito. So, ayun lang naman, ang cozy niya tignan. Since I've been traveling, usually yung accommodation ko, hostel, kasi obviously it's cheaper, tapos din, you get to meet other people. Sorry, hindi ko napakita to. May TV din, ayan, may TV tayo, tapos tawag nito, may pa-flower, tapos may fridge. Check natin kung anong meron. Walang laman, may amoy, konti, charot. Anyway, yun lang guys. Anong oras na ba dito? Alas 12 na ng gabi, my God. So, ayun lang. Siguro, I'll end this vlog here. Tapos, bukas, pupunta tayo sa Central London para mag-explore, para mag-vlog, para kakain. So, okay? So, ayun lang, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, yung travel namin from Munich, Germany to London until here sa aming accommodation. So, I'll see you tomorrow. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do. Hit mo na rin yung shiny notification bell para ikaw updated sa aking mga latest travel ganap. So, ayun lang. Good night, everybody!
Good night.
So, ayun. Ciao! Hasta luego! And again, happy holidays! Nakakapagod na. Naantok na ako, mama. Ay, sige. Ciao!